Now, example number 4. Mayur made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end in figure. The height of cylinder is 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. Find total surface area of the bird bath. It is a bird bath. Hemispherical, it is cylindrical shape, and hemispherical one end bowl, hemispherical depression at one end. Now find the total surface area. Then curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Diameter is equal, radius is equal to 30 centimeter, height is equal to 1.45 meter. And curved surface area of hemisphere. What is formula is? Yes, 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. But here r is equal to, as radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cylinder. Both are same. Therefore, height of cylinder h is equal to 1.45 meter. In question, it is meter and radius is in centimeter. R is equal to 30 centimeter. Then we convert meter into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1.45 multiply 100 to get centimeter is equal to 145 centimeter. We convert 1.45 meter is equal to 145 centimeter. It is for your understanding, but you write like this: 1.45 meter is equal to 145 centimeter, and radius is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, total surface area of bird bath. Which two solids combine? Cylinder and hemisphere. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. We put formula of this: curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Common part is 2 pi r, then h plus r. Put all the values of this variable 2 into 22 by 7. What is radius? Radius is equal to 30 into height. H is equal to 145 plus R is equal to 30. Radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere both are same in figure. Therefore, we take R, common R is equal to, suppose they are different, then we, okay, example 3, one is small r, then capital R. Suppose 3 steps, then we take R1, R2, R3. 22, 2 3s are 6, 60 into 22 divided by 7 into 175. 145 plus 30 is equals to 175. 725. 25 is 0. 25 6 are 150. Then 0. 15 2s are 33. 33 is equals to 33,000 centimeters square. Again question. Mayank made a pot bath for his garden in the shape of cylinder with a hemisphere spherical decoration at one end in figure. The height of cylinder is equal to 1.45 meter and its radius is 30 centimeter. We convert 1.45 meter into centimeter is equal to 145 centimeter. Now total surface area of bird bath is equal to cow surface area of hemisphere plus cow surface area of cylinder plus hemisphere. Cow surface area of hemisphere. Put formulas 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r common, h plus r. Then calculate this 33,000 centimeters square. In next lecture, we start our exercise 13.1. Good morning. Exercise 13.1. Question number 1. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes are joined. Each volume is 64 centimeter cube. Volume of cube we have given. Volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. What is the formula of volume of cube? Then we get our side of edge of volume, edge of cube. Here a cube, that means side cube, is equal to 64. A is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, side length is equal to 4 centimeter. Length of cube. Length of side of cube is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, our question is two cubes are joined each side to side. Suppose here are two cubes. Two cubes like this. One cube, two cube, join. Side to side, then it makes cuboidal shape. Now, what is length? Its length is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Lengths become 8 centimeter. 4 plus 4. And breadth. Breadth is equals to, what is its breadth? Breadth is equals to 4 centimeter because its breadth is 4 centimeter. And height. Height is also 4 centimeter. Suppose two cubes, each sides. These shapes are, I have no cube there, I use this cuboidal shape. But we assume that it is a cube shape. Then all sides are 4 centimeter. Now we join. Question is, two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. End to end. Then its length becomes cuboidal shape. And length of cuboid is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Its breadth. Breadth is equal to, what is its breadth? Breadth is equal to here 4 centimeter. And height. Height is equal to also 4 centimeter. Then we write length of cuboid for resulting cuboid length is equal to, length that means L is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. because 2 cubes length 4 plus 4 then 8. Breadth is equals to 4 centimeter and height is equals to 4 centimeter. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Total surface area. Surface area, that means total surface area. Surface area of cuboid is equals to, what is formula? 2 yes 2lb plus bh plus ha. Then 2lb plus bh plus ha equals to 2 into length is equals to 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8 equals to 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32 is equals to 2 into equals to 160 centimeter square. Again, 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeters cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Volume of cube is equal to 60. We have given 64 centimeters. Therefore, its side is equal to 64 is equal to which number cube? 4 cube. Then A is equal to 4 centimeter. Side of length of cube, edge of cube is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we join 2 cubes. Then length becomes of cuboid is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. And height and breadth is as it is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Put value and calculate surface area of cuboid. Formula 2lb plus bh plus hl, and then we get answer 160 centimeter square. Now question number 2. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find inner surface area of the vessel. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Here vessel is like this hollow hemisphere and mounted by hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. It is not perfect shape, but you write like this rough figure. I write here. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Diameter is equals to 14 centimeter. Here it is 14 centimeter. Then radius is equals to 14 by 2. R is equals to 7 centimeter. And total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height 13 centimeter. Here it is formula. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of hemisphere and inner surface area of cylinder. That means curved surface area. Curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder. But here total height 13 centimeter and then this height is, find it is by cylinder height. Capital H is equals to 13 centimeter and R is equals to 7 centimeter. We write like this: H is equals to H plus R. At H, that means height of cylinder. Capital H, that means total height, and R means radius. Radius of hemisphere is equals to height of hemisphere. Height of hemisphere. Here, H is equals to 13 is equals to H plus 7. Therefore, H is equals to 6 centimeter. 13 minus 7 is equals to 6 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of vessel. Now, calculate inner surface area of vessel is equals to, vessel made up of by two shapes, two solids. One is hemisphere and other is cylinder. Then we say inner surface area of hemisphere plus is equals to inner surface area of hemisphere plus inner surface area of cylinder. Now, inner surface area of hemisphere, that means curved surface area. Inner surface, that means inner side. It is a curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder. Using formula, curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. Here you write or not, but understood, inner surface is equals to curved surface is equals to curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH. Both radius are common, same radius. Radius is equals to 7 centimeter. And here, common part is equals to 2 pi r. Then we write R plus H is equals to 2 into. In question, there is not given pi is equals to 3.14. Then we take pi is equals to 22 by 7. Into R. R is equals to 7. 7 plus H. H is equals to 6. Is equals to 7, 7, cut. 22 2s are 44. Multiply 7 plus 6, 13. 13 4s are 52. 52 and 5, 59. Oh, sorry, 32 and 57. 572 centimeter square. Then we write inner surface area of vessel is equals to 572 centimeter square. Inner surface area of vessel is equals to 572 centimeter square. It is our answer. Again, vessel is made up of by hemisphere and cylinder, hollow hemisphere and hollow cylinder. Then diameter of sphere is equals to 14 centimeter. Radius is equals to 7 centimeter. Total height 13 centimeter. Therefore, height of cylinder is equal to 13 minus 7. Radius of Radius of hemisphere is equal to radius height of hemisphere. As here R and R. Therefore R is equal to 7 minus 13 minus 7 6 centimeter. Now two steps. Calculate curve surface area of hemisphere plus curve surface area of cylinder 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Then answer is 572 centimeter square. Inner surface area of vessel is equals to 572 centimeter square.